Factor the following completely and state the method used. Once again, the theme on our test is going to be that. Now, one thing I want to notice is here, there are two terms, but they're not what I call square rootable. I can't square root 27 and I can't square root x cubed. However, I can cube root them. So if I have two terms that are both what I call cube rootable, my method will be sum and difference of cubes. Really should probably say or difference of cubes. This one is sum because it's a plus. And what I'm going to do is this here. These are both what I call cube rootable. Like the cube root of x cubed is an x, and the cube root of 27 is a 3. It's my little table that pops up right here to help you out. So I'm going to divide each of these kind of by that, which means I have an x plus 3. Now notice whatever the sign is here is my sign here. The other numbers will be simply this x squared, and the last number will be the 3 squared, and the middle number will be the 3 times the x that I have right here, except instead of a plus, it will be a minus. It'll be a minus 3x. Notice, if you have a plus, your first two terms have a plus, the trinomial has the opposite, the negative. Now, there's actually a formula. This is called the sum difference of cubes. Any number, it looks like this for here, that is what cube rootable, both the first and second term with the plus side in between, will factor where like such this here, that you can have the cubes, the cube roots right here with the first value squared, the last value squared, and the other two multiplied together with the opposite of this sign. And the same thing's true here for a difference of cubes. Notice this time you have a minus. Notice the difference. The only signs that switched were the first ones and the middle ones. This time I'll have a minus, and here's an example. Ooh, Coach Stoney, you got tricky. Well, but think about it. 8 is still a cube root number, right? Is a 2 along with an x, and this is going to have 125 as a 5 with a y. So I'm going to basically have a 2x and a 5y. So I'm going to put a 2x, and it's going to be minus 5y because that's what's right up here. And if I take the 2x times 2x, I get a 4x squared. And if I take 5y times 5y, I get a 25y squared. And notice this one's a negative, so next one will be a plus, and it'll simply be this 2x times 5y, which is a 10xy. And once again, the middle term is the two middle is multiplied together, the two terms, but the sign is opposite of whatever is here in that 3 term, in the trinomial. And in the binomial, it is exactly the same sign.